Civilizations rise on rivers, but they survive because of wetlands. If rivers are the arteries of life, wetlands are the nation's natural shock absorbers, and India's commitment to protect them is reflected on its Ramsar sites. So, Jai Hind viewers, my name is Prashant Singh, and I welcome you all to my channel. And this is the day 16th of my lecture 8 series, and this is the phase 2. So, gentlemen, today's topic is going to be about the Ramsar sites in India, guardians of India's wetland wealth. So, first of all, a Ramsar site is a wetland recognized under the International Ramsar Convention signed in Ramsar, Iran, 1971. The objective is very simple yet profound, which is conservation and wise use of wetlands, in which wetlands includes things like lakes, marshes, mangroves, floodplains, and even man-made water bodies that sustain biodiversity and regulate ecological balance. Gentlemen, India is one of the leading participants in this global conservation framework, and today India hosts 75 plus Ramsar sites in the nation, making it one of the countries with the highest number of protected wetlands. Some prominent examples include Chilka Lake, which is the Asia's largest brackish water lagoon and a biodiversity hotspot for migratory birds. Then we have Kyoledio National Park, a world-famous bird sanctuary, Vuller Lake, one of the largest freshwater lakes in South Asia, and Sundarbans Delta wetland, I can say, which is critical mangrove ecosystem supporting coastal reference. So, why Ramsar site matters? Now we will take a look at the strategic clarity. First, we have ecological security. Wetlands act as natural food controllers, carbon sinks, and groundwater recharge systems. In climate discourse, they are frontline defenders. Second, we have biodiversity protection. They sustain rare species, migratory birds, and aquatic life, forming the backbone of ecological balance. Third, the most important, we have human livelihoods. Billions depend on wetlands for fisheries, agriculture, and water security. Conservation here directly translates into human welfare. Now, we will come to a strategic perspective, and in which it has been seen that in the era of climate uncertainty, protecting wetlands is not charity toward nature. It is a strategic investment in national resilience. India's expansion of Ramsar sites signals a shift from resource exploitation to resource stewardship, a hallmark of responsible governance. So, at last, I want to sum it up the topic by saying that a nation that protects its wetlands protects its water and future. And through Ramsar sites, India is not merely conserving water bodies, it is safeguarding life itself. So, thank you. That was all. Jai Hind.